Hi guys, welcome to NEET World Institute and NEET World YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well in your IP point of view, right? And your practicals are going well, I guess, right? And your records has been completed, like in the written parts, right? No. Hope so, guys. I'll introduce once again our NEET World Institute material to you. See, we have designed the material for IP point of view for Telangana and Andhra people. Specially mentioned. I mean, as per mentioned, like in the board guidelines. Okay, so the thing is, we have taken the important questions. We have made it as a easy point how to understand in a diagrammatic point of view and in tabular column, everything. Okay, so it is not only for physics, it's in chemistry, it's in maths 1A, 1B, botany, zoology, and then 2A, 2B maths also. Yes, it's for both Telangana and Andhra people. Okay, so to get that, what you should do is you need to download the NEET World app in Play Store, and you can sign up with your mobile number, and you can give a hi message in the chat box, so that you will get the soft copy of the material whatever you need, and our team will be in touch with you until your exam gets over. Okay, and one more thing, like whatever doubts you are having, you can reach out anytime, anywhere. Okay, and we will be, once we will see that queries either in the chat box of the app, or else if you are seeing from the YouTube, no, like if you are mentioning anything in the comment section also, we will note down, and we will try to reach as soon as possible. Okay, and this is the thing, guys. Okay, you can download the NEET World app, and you can subscribe the YouTube channel, you can follow the Telegram link, right, and you can follow in the Instagram also. Okay, so the thing is, you need to search NEET World Institute in Telegram and Instagram also. And if you are not following or not subscribed in YouTube also, you can click the subscribe button and click the bell icon, so that you will get the notification whenever we are updating anything. Okay, and yeah, we'll go into the lesson. So in this lesson, we are in this day, no, we are concentrating on class 12th chapter, short answer questions. Okay, so today's topic is 12th class IPE. Okay, and we are going to concentrate on short answer question, short answer questions. Okay, so in your words, we can say that it is SAQs. Okay, this is the thing. So today's lesson, no, electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. This is the today's chapter which we are going to see. Okay, can we go into the lesson now? Yes, we'll go into the lesson now. Okay, okay guys, let's look into the topic here. So the first question is, obtain an expression for the EMF induced across a conductor which is moved in a uniform magnetic field which is perpendicular to the plane of motion. So this is the question. Okay, so whenever we are seeing some question, no, whatever things we need to write, we need to understand. Okay, that is obtain an expression for EMF induced across a conductor, right? The EMF induced across a conductor which is moved in a uniform magnetic field. Keep the point, EMF induced and uniform magnetic field is the key point over here, and which is perpendicular to the plane of motion. So what we should do is, yeah, let me take here. So let me take a diagrammatic point also here, so that it will be easy to understand for you guys. Okay, so consider a rectangular conductor PQRS, rectangular conductor. Okay, so we are considering a rectangular conductor PQRS, in which PQ is free to move. It is placed perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field B. So this PQ is free to move, they are saying, right now, and which is perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field. That is the thing. The rod PQ is moved towards left with a constant velocity, V, and rectangular conductor PQRS forms a closed circuit enclosing an area that changes with time as PQ moves. Obviously, when velocity, like it will be changes with time, right? That's the thing. Now, due to this, what happens? The magnetic flux enclosed by a loop, that is loop in the sense PQ or S, is nothing but phi is equals to BA cos 0 degree, right? So when I talk about the area, that is length into breadth, right? No, length into breadth. So L into x. So B, and cos 0 we know that it is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So B into Lx. So when we talk about this length is L and breadth is x, area of the loop, it is nothing but length into breadth. And what about the area of the circular loop? If we talk about a circular loop, it is pi r square, right? Pi r square. Similarly, area of a rectangle. Okay, if it's the area of a square, what we will take? L square or x square we will take, L into L or x into x, right? No, that's the thing. Got it? Up to this you have understood, no? Now the thing is rate of change of flux. Rate of change of flux is nothing but the flux which is changes with respect to time, which is will induce an EMF across a conductor PQ. So will induce an EMF across a conductor PQ is given by E is equals to minus d phi by dt. What is phi value? Phi value we know that it is BLX. So minus d by dt of BLX. Like what is the thing here? Like x only changes, no, and L will be constant. So minus BL into dx by dt, which is nothing but velocity. So EMF induced is B, L and V. Okay, let's see down what is the thing. So this induced EMF is called as motional EMF. That's the thing. That's the thing for the first question, right? You can take a note of this and we can go for the next question. I hope it's got clear about the first question, right? So we need to talk about the EMF and then we need to write the flux point of view. Done, guys, we can go for the next question. So describe the ways in which eddy current are used to advantage it. Alright, no? So what are the advantages of the eddy current they are asking? So magnetic braking in trains, electromagnetic damping and induction furnace, electric power meters and eddy current speedometer and diathermy. These are the things we can write in this advantage. So each advantage we need to explain it clearly. Okay, I'll give about the proper things about magnetic braking in trains first. So in some electrically powered trains, a metal drum coupled with the wheel of a train which rotates as a train runs, right? So in order to apply the brakes, a strong magnetic field is applied, obviously, when the drum, across the drum. The eddy current produced in the drum opposes the motion of the wheel and the train stops. To stop the train, it's helping to stop, right? No, that's the thing. Next one is electromagnetic damping. So certain galvanometer have fixed core made of non-magnetic metallic material. Okay, non-magnetic material. When the coil oscillates, no, the eddy current generated in the core opposes the motion and bring the coil to rest quickly. Okay, so what about the induction furnace and what they are telling here? So induction furnace can be used to produce high temperature and can be utilized to prepare alloys by melting constituent metals, right? Constituent metal in the sense it's a submetals. So high frequency alternating current like AC current, okay, AC like alternating current is passed through a coil, so surrounding the metals to be melted. So eddy current generated in the metals produce heat sufficient to the melting point, right, to melt that. So it's used in the induction furnace. So when we talk about electric power meters, right, so the shiny metal disc in the electric power meter so rotates due to the eddy current. So it helps to rotate the shiny metal part in the electric power meter. So electric current are induced in the disc by magnetic field produced by the sinusoidal varying current in a coil. Right. So what about the fifth one? Eddy current speedometer. So eddy current are used in a speedometer of automobiles. Yes, right. Sorry guys, like I guess so. Camera went this side, no issues. I arranged it. Right. Yeah, fine. So eddy current speedometer and diathermy. Eddy current are used in a diathermy, a speed like a deep heat treatment of a human body. Okay, this is about the advantages. So when we go for the next question, obtain an expression for the mutual induction of two long axial coaxial solenoids. So when we talk about here two coaxial solenoids, like solenoids in the sense like it has been wound as a wire. So two wires are there, okay, two long coaxial thing. So consider two long air cored solenoids S1 and S2 such that solenoid S2 surrounding S1 completely. This S2 and this is S1. Okay, inside S1 is there and outside S2 is there. Okay, so both solenoids are of same length L and have same cross sectional area A. So let N1 and N2 be the number of turns of S1 and S2, and capital N1 capital N2 be the total number of turn of solenoid S1 and S2 respectively. So if a current I is passed, like I1 is passed in S1 and flux linkages with S2, how much I need to find? So which is nothing but N2 phi 2 will be equals to M21 I1. Okay, where M21 is a mutual induction of S2 with respect to S1, right? So like the angle between them will be 0 degree. So N1 B1 A cos theta, like flux, so B1 A1 cos theta will be equals to M21 I1. So here we know that B1 is nothing but mu naught N1 I. So when we substitute the value here, what happens? So mu naught N1 I1 into A will be equals to M21 I1. So what happens here? Whatever things are there, we can take it and we rearrange it, right? So M21 will be equals to mu naught N1 N2 A. So I1 and I1 get cancelled off. So M21 will be mu naught N1 N2 A L, which is nothing but this volume. Okay, and in a medium, the relative permeability will be mu in presence of mu into mu naught N1. Like only thing is here mu naught is there, when permeability has added, here mu naught will be there, that's it. Okay, and area is pi r square, like the area of the circle. Okay, so this is about the question. Yeah, you can take a note of this question and we can go for the next one. Right now. Done. Can we go for the next question? Yes, can we go for the next question? Okay, fine. So the next question is, yeah. So this is one of the alternative method. Okay, you can follow whichever method we want. Okay, so obtain an expression for a magnetic energy sorted in solenoids in terms of the magnetic field, area, and length of a solenoid. So here how we need to proceed with the answer? No, first we need to write about what is a self-inductance, right? So I mean self-induced things. Okay, so the self-induced EMF in a coil opposes any change in current in a circuit. So work has to be done against the EMF to establish the current which is stored as a magnetic potential energy, right? No, so that's the thing, like expression for magnetic energy stored in the solenoid we need to write. Okay, and when we talk about a current, no, so in the current at an instant, no, is I, and then rate of work done in the sense like work done with respect to time, which is nothing but E into I. So final what we should do is the work done in establishing the current I is W is equals to integral of Li di will be nothing but we will write as 1 by 2, like integral of I, no, so I square by 2 we will get, so 1 by 2 Li. So this L into I is the current with respect to di I am taking. So L is constant, we will keep as it is, and integration of I is I square by 2. Okay, so the energy stored in a solenoid is nothing but U is equals to of Li square. Okay, so but for solenoid L is equals to mu naught n square A by L, which is nothing but V is equals to mu naught Ni. So when we substitute the value, U is equals to of B square AL by mu naught we will get. So thus we will get as 1 by 2 mu naught B square AL. Okay, so this is about the fourth question, right? This is the fourth question. Yeah, once you have completed, we can see the alternative method of third question also. Yeah, like some of you guys have asked what is the alternative method, how we should write it. Okay, you can take a note of this and we can go for the third question, that alternative method. Yeah, we'll see the third question now. So the alternative method we were talking, no, so how we need to proceed with that alternative method? So these are the simple points to note it down. How many points is there means only 6 points. If you write that 6 points, it's fair enough to score 4 out of 4 marks in this question. Okay, So what we should do, consider two long solenoids S1 and S2 of equal length L and A, okay, equal length L and area A. So N1 and N2 be the number of turns for I1, I2 be the current through the solenoid S1 and S2 respectively. First what we need to do, we need to draw the diagram of the solenoids and we need to write the first point. And third point is the magnetic field along the solenoid is S1, which is nothing but B1 is equals to mu naught N1 I1 by L. So the mutual inductance S1 with respect to S2 we should take M12, right? No, or if we are talking about S2 with respect to S1, M21 we will take. So M12 will be equals to N2 phi 2 by I1, right? So N2 B1A by I1. So what is phi? It is B1A. We will write as it is. But we know what is B1, no? B1 we know. So we will write that mu naught N1 N2A by L. So the next is magnetic field along solenoid S2. So B2 mu naught, so B2 will be equals to mu naught N2 I2 by L, right? So the mutual inductance S2 with respect to S1. Here we have taken S1 with respect to S2. Here S2 with respect to S1. So it is N1 phi 1 by I2. So N1 B2A by I2, which is equals to mu naught N1 N2 by N2A by L. So from the equation, no, like this S1 with respect to S2, S2 with respect to S1. So we will consider 2 and 4 and M will be equals to mu naught N1 N2A by L. So this is the mutual inductance of this solenoid, right? I hope you got it cleared about this right now. Okay guys, so only 4 questions are from mutual inductance, electromagnetic inductions, okay? I mean no, electromagnetic induction, not a mutual induction, electromagnetic induction. And let me tell you once again that so we have, okay, let me take a new page. So we have introduced the material of NEET World for IP point of view for both AP and Telangana. You can download the NEET World app, NEET World app in Play Store. So give hi message in chat box. So our team will be in touch with you and whatever material you need you will get it. So it's not only for physics, it's for chemistry, zoology, botany, math 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, everything, okay? It's for both AP and Telangana students. It can be anything, like it can be from, like students can be from medical stream also, students can be from engineering stream also, okay? No issues. You will get the materials of a soft copy, like it's a free of cost, okay? So you can utilize well and you can score the exam out of out marks, okay? Yeah guys, thank you. We'll meet in the next class.